We'll be taking a quick look at the Ernie Ball 8020 bronze alloy Earthwood acoustic guitar strings, extra light. And you can see here are the gauges 10, 14, 20, 28, 40, and 50. And this has a bright and balanced sound, crisp, clear highs, natural feel, precision round with 8020 bronze wrapped wire, perfect for all musical genres and playing styles. Then with each string in their individual package, here on the thicker gauges, you can see that it has that bright gold color of the 8020 bronze, while the thinner strings will have the plain and they just have the kind of like the silver kind of color to them. And this has been the Earthwood 8020 bronze alloy extra light strings.